The heads-up display became glitchy after your car upgraded to V12.2024.20.1. Tesla updated some interface protocols, which caused the issue. Please follow these instructions to upgrade your device and address the issues. First, turn off CarPlay on your phone so it won't interfere during the process. Then, connect the device to your Wi-Fi. Wait a minute or two after typing the password to make sure it's fully connected. Next, go to Software to check for updates and download the latest version with the patch. Wait a few minutes after a few restarts. Please note, don't disconnect the power or leave the car during the updates. The issue should be fixed after all installations are completed. Turn the CarPlay back on and double-check the connection between the device and your phone. If you encounter any issues during the process, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@thebunnybird.com. We are more than happy to help you through this process.